Hey guys, and welcome back to First Hill. We're all looking for more space, new hobbies, space for those hobbies, privacy, and nice features. Here at Parkview, we not only have recently updated, luxurious condo, but the Parkview Plaza also has a very large hobby room with all the tools you need. A large fitness center, pool and sauna, and gardens. We just made it to the condo. Let's go ahead and go inside. Parkview Plaza, located at 1101 Seneca Street, has an unbeatable location with a walk score of 98 and a transit score of 100. You'll find tons of restaurants, bars, and cafes within a 3-minute walk, and an easy commute to just about any workplace. Short walk or bus to hospitals, SLU, downtown, and the historical buildings and plentiful trees make this the perfect urban retreat. Now let's check out Unit 504 and everything the building has to offer. I'm really excited to get to show you this gorgeous corner unit. Perfectly nestled atop mature trees for the ultimate feeling of privacy without compromising natural light. Floor-to-ceiling windows, a large and airy living room, plus a huge walkout balcony will make this a dream spot to entertain or relax. A beautiful new kitchen with marbled quartz, all new cabinets, drop-down hood, and new appliances opens into the dining room and living spaces. Completely remodeled bathroom adds a modern touch. Your bedroom has a true getaway. With an expansive private balcony to read and relax, this large space also looks upon gorgeous mature greenery and boasts a large closet. A second bedroom provides the perfect dual work and live space. A custom Murphy bed and built-ins make this a great dual office and guest bedroom. Your personal laundry room boasts its own sink, a rare luxury, and plenty of counter space for folding. There's no shortage of storage space in this well-designed condo. You'll find cabinetry in your thoughtfully laid out laundry room, a coat closet, and linen closet in the hallway. Large kitchen pantry, tons of storage in each bedroom. Plus the unit comes with a large bonus storage locker on the second floor. Are you ready to check out the building amenities? This building has it all. A large indoor pool and spa overlook the community's gardens and patio. You'll also find a sauna and large fitness center in one centralized location. But that's not all. The building has a large meeting room and library, perfect for work or play. The next space is very rare, a true hobbyist's dream. A fully equipped hobby room provides the perfect space for woodworking, painting, and tinkering. What hobby will you start up in this space? City parking can be difficult for some, but this incredible building has several guest parking spaces. And Unit 504 comes with its own gated garage parking. See for yourself. You really can have it all. A gorgeous updated condo, privacy, perfect location, incredible building, and features. So come check out unit number 504 at the Parkview Plaza at 1101 Seneca Street.